to the information channel on mental disorders. Today we'll be talking about eating disorders. My name is Angelica Tejera.
My name is Lorena Mota Monteno.
My name is Tatiana Quintanilla.
My name is Isabela Moreno.
Eating disorders are serious conditions that are related to eating that behavior negatively affect emotion and ability, therefore an important area of life. Most eating disorders are characterized by excessive feeding, attention, and weight body shape on food, which cause dangerous eating behavior.
Symptom: feeling of scorelessness. 2. Lowering of emotion. 3. Agitation. 4. Depressive mood. 5. Feeling of disgust with oneself. 6. Feeling of shame and health.
Mental health professionals can diagnose an eating disorder based on medical history symptoms, taking parents' eating behaviors and physical examination. It is necessary to carry out following psychotherapy control and medical attention and nutritional advice medication.
Cure or treatment. Typical treatment goals include restoring proper nutrition, arching healthy body weight, reducing exercise, and curbing big eating and purpose covering and causing vomiting.